Now I am going to show you a plant. This is a plant, as you can see. It has a green structure. What is the color of this plant? You can easily see it. It is green in color. So now I am going to demonstrate you one by one about the part of a plant. Here you can see the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. What is it? You all are aware about it. What is it? Okay, it is a flower. It is a flower. And what about these two structures? These are buds. They are just baby flowers. They are just baby flowers. Now, I am coming to this point. What is this? What is this? What are these structures? These are leaves of a plant. A single, if I am talking about a single leaf, then it is called leaf. And if I am talking about plural form of it, that we use for many leaves, is called leaves. So these are leaves. And the internal structure, which is quite woody, green in color, not so strong but quite hard. This structure is called stem. This structure is called stem. And the portions where leaves are present, these portions alone is called a branch. And if I am talking about in aggregate, they are called branches. Now, the part which is below the soil, the part which is below the soil is called root. Now I am showing you. This is root. This is root. You can see that. Now I am going to tell you the functions of these parts of a plant one by one. Let us start with roots. Here is the root. Here is the root. Root. What is the function of root? As you can see that root is present below the soil. Root is present below the soil. In this plant, the root is below the soil. So, what is the function of this root? Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil that are very necessary for a plant. As I have told you earlier that plants need water, sunlight and air for preparation of their food. So plants absorb water through their roots from the soil.